Many IVF patients ask me the same painful question: Doctor, why did my IVF fail when everything looked perfect? Recently, a large scientific study tried to answer exactly this. Researchers studied more than 3,000 women who went through repeated IVF or ICSI cycles but ended up with no embryos suitable for transfer. Not poor transfers, not bad labs, simply no embryos that made it far enough. They used advanced genetic testing called whole exome sequencing to look deep inside the egg's genetic blueprint. What they found was striking. In about 13% of these women, there were mutations in genes that control egg quality and early embryo development. In simple terms, the eggs looked normal on the outside, but the genetic software inside was faulty. The egg could not support normal embryo growth no matter how good the sperm or the lab. This matters because it explains why some IVF failures are stubbornly repetitive. Not because the doctor did something wrong, not because the patient didn't try hard enough, but because biology sometimes sets hard limits. Now, this does not mean all IVF failures are genetic. Most are still unexplained. Age, ovarian reserve, sperm quality, and lab conditions all matter, and current genetic tests don't yet capture the full picture. But this study tells us something important. Repeating IVF blindly, cycle after cycle, without understanding why it's failing, can be emotionally and financially exhausting, and sometimes pointless. As a doctor, my job is not to sell hope, it's to offer clarity. Sometimes that clarity opens new doors, like donor eggs, donor embryos, or adoption. These are deeply personal decisions, and there is no single right answer. If you've had repeated IVF failures and feel confused, stuck, or overwhelmed, you don't need another opinion filled with jargon. You need honest guidance. That's exactly why we've created our free IVF chatbot, powered by AI and based on my 40 years of clinical experience. You can upload your records, ask tough questions, and get clear, unbiased answers anytime. Use the link in the description to chat with it now. Understanding the truth can save you time, money, and heartache, and help you choose the path that's right for you.